everyone. Welcome to episode number 11 of the PowerPlatform Digital series. This week we're coming to you from beautiful Microsoft Technology Center, where John and I are having a nice conversation at a bus stop. John, welcome.
Thanks, Ron. Hi, everyone. I'm John Sullivan, Technical Solution Professional for Dynamics 365.
So guys, this week the session that we want to introduce you to is called Understanding and Building Model-Driven Applications. And this was a session that was delivered during the Microsoft Business Application Summit in Seattle back in July. And John, I think now everyone is kind of starting to understand that there are two types of apps. One is called model-driven, one is called canvas apps. But I don't think it's fully understood kind of when to choose which type of approach to build the apps. So could you help us understand a little bit more kind of when to decide which one?
Yeah, sure. So first, let's take a step back, Ron. So just the fact that you can have two different types of apps accessing the same Dynamics instance is really powerful. So as you said, you can have a Canvas app, and you can have both a model-driven app or multiple of each accessing the same Dynamics instance. So a Canvas app, as we talked about, I think in a previous episode, it's very much something that's mobile-focused, role-specific. It's going to be a very task-specific application too, right? And it's pixel-perfect, so you can draw your layout of the application any which way you want. A model-driven app is something more oriented towards a power user, and it's more data-driven. And there's a design language to how it works. So you're going to create a much larger and more sophisticated application with a model-driven app, and it's going to help you do that faster because the design layout language takes those data elements and then automatically plops them into forms. So it kind of saves you the development time, but you have less flexibility as you do with the Canvas app in terms of putting just anywhere, just anything, just anywhere you want.
Cool, awesome. So guys, enjoy the full session. Like usual, please let us know what you think, what you like, what you don't like, what you would like to see us cover in the future. And until the next episode, thanks so much for watching.